Hello everyone, my name is Steve Stump and coming to you live on Facebook. Let me move this microphone over. Well, I hope everyone's having a great Tuesday. You know, I've always been pretty active on LinkedIn, but LinkedIn is being kind of stingy with its live accounts. So it dawned on me, Facebook Live has always been there. And so what I'm going to start doing is contributing more to my network with valuable content on Facebook using Facebook Live. And then you might see that same video move over to LinkedIn. But this is my first video where I want to share a very exciting pillar in my business that I'm adding in 2021. And before I go there, you know, everyone knows that the GameStop stock rally that happened last week was something that created a tremendous amount of volatility in that one particular stock. And while volatility in any stock isn't a new thing, that was really quite interesting what happened as the Reddit users increased the value of that stock and continued trading. The hedge funds that really needed to cover their positions and get out of their short positions were in a tough predicament. And so a lot of the platforms, Stash, Robinhood, and some of the other daily trader platforms actually locked their customers out of any transactions on GameStop. And this allowed those hedge funds to come in, cover their shorts, and minimize any potential loss that they were already suffering from. And while volatility in the stock market isn't new, it was very interesting to see that happen with just one particular stock. Now, volatility happens all the time. We can have an international event or national event that within a day just wipes off hundreds of billions of dollars in value in the stock market. And so I wanted to talk about my other pillar in my business. So you probably know in 2020, I added a health insurance business to what I do, helping business owners and self-employed professionals find affordable health insurance. And in 2021, I want to add my second pillar, which is helping solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, business owners, and self-employed professionals, and helping them understand how to use the infinite banking concept to minimize the risk across their portfolio and potentially even eliminate it altogether depending on how you use it. So if you're not familiar with the infinite banking concept, also known as a personal banking concept, it is a way to use a life insurance policy throughout your existence as a human being, so before you die, to basically purchase any assets that you want over your life, to use it for vacation spend, to refinance any debt. And when structured properly with a company that structures these policies in the way that they do, so it needs to be the right insurance company with the right insurance agency that knows how to structure them, then you can create an infinite banking policy. So I got a simple explanation of how this might work. So on this side you got regular banking, right? And on this side you got infinite banking. So let's take the example of you're purchasing a car. So you've got, over time you've got to accumulate money to purchase a car. Let's say that you saved money over a 3-year period. And then you purchase your car, and then you start the process over. You save money for a 3-year period, and you purchase your car. So, this is going to show money, this is going to show time. And so here with regular banking, in year 1, you put up some savings. In year 2, you put up some savings. In year 3, you put up a savings, and you purchase your first car. Then all you have is the car. All your money is gone. Right? You've got to now earn another 3 years worth of savings to purchase your next car in another 3 years. So you start again with zero, you save a little, you save some more. Finally, in the 3rd year, you're able to trade in the car you had and purchase a brand new one. That's how regular banking works. Now, most of us even finance our cars. So right now, the average APR on a car purchase is about 3%. So let's say that you buy a $25,000 car. Just keep it modest, right? And you pay that over 3 years. You're going to pay $26,000, over $26,000 for that $25,000 car. Why? Because you're paying interest. So let's take a look at the infinite banking model for an example. As you begin to fund your bank, you can actually use the funds in your bank while they continue to provide a guaranteed return. So this is how this works. In year one, you put money into your banking policy. In year two, you put more money. Does this sound familiar? This is what you were doing over here, but you were doing it in a savings account, earning you 0.000001%. In year three, you have enough in your policy that you can take a cash loan to go purchase that $25,000 car. But here's the kicker. When these policies are structured with the right insurance company in the right way, that money stays in your policy, continuing to grow. And so what you can do is you pay yourself back for the value of that car that you purchased. And year one again, year two again, year three, the policy loan or the policy value continues to increase. So in another 3 years, you take another loan out and you pay it back and you got another car. And here's the kicker. Now you've got policy value that's increasing each and every year. And you determined the terms of your policy loan. So in this situation, you saved, and bam, you're back down to zero. In the other situation, you go and get a loan from a bank and you pay 3% and you pay over $1,600 more for a $25,000 car because you're paying interest. In this situation, you actually create your own terms. You actually create your own payment terms so that you are recapturing not just the principal, but also the interest that you would have paid to a third-party bank. Ladies and gentlemen, that is infinite banking, and I am super excited to start to share this with business owners because it is a way for them to fund growth in their business while keeping access to their cash so it continues to grow. Remember, getting stumped on your health and life insurance is the best thing that can happen to you. To find out why, insure with me, Steve Stump. I'm always available on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Feel free to send me a direct message and we can talk anytime. Thanks for watching my live video. If you've got any questions, drop me a line in the comments and we can follow up on our discussion in the thread. Thanks everyone. Happy Tuesday and have a great day.